Hello everyone, welcome to Money Control. Let's dive into the latest stock market updates. From noteworthy investments to key deals, fundraising activities and executive appointment. Here's a quick overview of the stocks to watch out in today's trading session. First up, Bajaj Housing Finance Q2 year on year. If you look at the figures, then the profit grew 21% to rupees 546 crore in comparison to rupees 451 crore. Net interest income also increased 13% to rupees 713 crore in comparison to rupees 632 crore. If you look at the disbursements, then it has declined to rupees 12,014 crore versus rupees 12,154 crores. AUM also grew 26% to rupees 1.02 lakh crore versus rupees 81,215 crore. If you look at the net interest margin, then it has dropped by 4.1% versus 4.4%. If you look at the net interest margin, then it has expanded to 4.1% versus 3.9% quarter on quarter. The second stock is Jana Small Finance Bank. If we look at the Jana Small Finance Bank figures, then its Q2 year-on-year profit dropped 21.1% to rupees 97 crore in comparison to rupees 123 crore. Net interest income also increased 13% to rupees 594 crore in comparison to rupees 526 crore. Provisions and contingency has also jumped to rupees 210 crore versus rupees 160 crore. If you look at the gross NPA, then gross NPA has risen to 2.97% in comparison to 2.62% quarter on quarter. Net NPA remains unchanged at 0.99% quarter on quarter. Third stock that is going to be in focus is Cyient DLM. If we look at the figures, then the Cyient DLM Q2 consolidated year-on-year profit grew 5.5% to rupees 15.5 crore versus rupees 14.65 crore. If we look at the revenue, then the revenue has also jumped from 33.4% to rupees 389.5 crore versus rupees 291.8 crore. If we look at the EBITDA margins, then EBITDA margins has surged 34.4% to rupees 31.6 crore in comparison to rupees 23.5 crore. If you look at the margins, then the margin has expanded by 6 bps to 8.1% versus 8%. The fourth stock, that is Hyundai Motor. Well, Hyundai Motor Limited shares will be listed on the BSE and the NSE on 22nd of October after 237% subscription for its rupees 27,870 crore offer. Hyundai Motor India, the Indian subsidiary of the South Korean automaker, saw a muted retail response to its initial public offer. However, strong demand from qualified institutional buyers compensated for this, with the QIB portion being oversubscribed by nearly 700% or 6.97 times. Analysts are of the view that non-institutional investors are wary of Hyundai's valuation, especially amid slowing growth in the automotive sector. They also suggest that the weak demand from retail investors and HNI was primarily because such large issues in the past have turned out to be a disappointment after its listing. Previous large IPOs such as those of LIC and Paytm's parent company 197 Communication Limited also experienced significant volatility in their grey market premium. The LIC IPO launched in April 2022, and around that time its GMP traded at a modest rupees 63 above its issue price of rupees 949 per share, only to eventually turn negative. Fifth stock is Eicher Motors. Royal Enfield has commenced operations of its manufacturing unit and flagship showroom in Bangladesh. The company has set up business in collaboration with IFAD Motors in Bangladesh. The new manufacturing facility is Royal Enfield's sixth assembly unit outside India after Nepal, Brazil, Thailand, Colombia and Argentina. With that, it's a wrap. For more such updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com and please like, share and subscribe to Money Control's YouTube channel.